If you're wondering if you can hide apps on Samsung Galaxy A07, first of all, let's open the settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we can find the home screen. Open it, then scroll down, and that way we'll be able to find the hide apps on home and apps screen. That way you'll be able to select any of those apps and then they should be hidden. So now technically if I try to access the Amazon shopping, it shouldn't show up, and yep, there's only Amazon Music. Let's actually check if there's proper app lock that we can find. So we can browse it inside of the apps section right here to see if it's there. But after a moment when it loads all of the apps, nope, there's no app hider. The other way to do it is security and privacy. Let's see if it's there. And nope, it's also not here, which confirms that the only way to do it is in the home screen options. And yes, this device can hide apps. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.